Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are building a site with Squarespace in 2026, adding a favicon, the tiny icon in browser tabs, bookmarks and mobile shortcuts is a small detail that makes a big branding difference. Okay, so a favicon helps users recognize your site instantly and makes your website looks professional. In this guide I will show you step by step how to add a favicon in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, log into Squarespace, open your website, okay, um, tap home, then look for design and then logo and title. This is where branding assets live. So if you didn't find it in the option here, you can tap search to simply and tap logo and you will have this option, social sharing, adjust your site social logo. Okay, so tap it. um, as you can see here, we have this option. Okay, so when sharing your pages on social media networks, Squarespace will use this image to represent the content. Collection items like blog posts will use their featured image. Okay, so I want you to add a social logo, so tap here and then look for the picture you want, or the ready or the pre-created picture that you have already created or designed, and then choose it and accept, and then you will be the logo will be shown as the official logo of the page. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.